Hello, this is Isaac Satten, IBISWorld's Director of Client Communications, and I'm excited to share with you a new expert tool that we're offering complimentary to our subscribers, which is the Inflation Tracker. The Inflation Tracker offers a holistic view of how inflation is affecting industries, products, and supply chains across the board. IBISWorld's created the Inflation Tracker to help clients understand different industries' exposure to inflation. To find the Inflation Tracker, navigate to the IBISWorld portal, go under the Expert Tools tab, and click on US Inflation Tracker Tool. From there, you'll see each updated version. You can download the latest version in Excel format. Once you've downloaded the file, you'll bring up the following table. You'll notice that at the bottom, several different tabs to navigate, which we'll go through right now. The first one's simply Usage Guidance tab. That's essentially a table of contents. As you scroll down, we'll be going through each of these tabs today, but just a place to get a quick summary of everything that you're going to find within the Inflation Tracker tool. The next page is the Descriptions and Definitions tab. This has all the different terms that you might find within the tool, a breakdown of what the definition is and how to utilize it within the tool itself. The next tab is the Index Tracker. This takes a look at the rolling 12-month inflation level and trend over the past few months and compares it to the same value for the prior year. This can be used both at the sector level, as you see right here, as well as even more granular within those sectors. And we'll be updating this monthly as inflation data becomes available. The next tab is our Industry Tracker. And once you have a clearer picture of the current inflation environment from the Index Tracker, you can dive into inflation at the industry level. We've used a warning system to identify various sectors, industries, and supply chains in the United States at risk of inflation. As you'll notice at the top, you'll see all the various sectors in tabular format. And as you click them, you'll pull up all the different industries listed within each and every sector. The way we've calculated risk for this tool is by measuring the distance an industry's inflation is from the target rate of 2%, which is the target rate for the Federal Reserve Bank. That's the direct inflation risk. A very high level is 5% or greater from the target rate. High is qualified as 4 to 5%, moderate is 2 to 4%, and low is less than 2% from the Federal Reserve's target. So you'll see that vary for each and every category here. The direct inflation rate is that level. Output risk is looking at the industries that are buying from the given industry, and input risk are the industries that that specific industry is buying from. And we've averaged all three out to create the overall inflation risk. If you scroll here to the right-hand side, you'll actually see a list of all the sectors for you. Again, that doesn't change from sector to sector. But at the bottom here, we'll actually list off for you the top 10 industries in terms of the highest inflation risk in each and every sector to take a look at. The final tab available is the Settings tab. And as mentioned, we're using the traditional definition from the Federal Reserve Bank being an inflation target of 2%. However, you're free to manipulate the bounds for your own analysis if you were looking to stress test various circumstances or scenarios. We hope you have an opportunity to dive into the new inflation tool if it's something that can assist you. In addition to the Usage Guidance tab, our Help Center article, your CRM is always available and happy to help with any additional questions.